Hello and welcome to this morning's update. Not a great deal going on Monday. Main thing that's happened is a positive signal, which is stochastic based, ahead of that 1262 level. Flies in the face a little bit of the dollar index, which is also trying to break up. So it's unlikely that both signals can be correct. One's going to be right and one's going to be wrong. Having said that, gold has overperformed, and if you put that against the dollar index, that's really where it shows up. It held that weekly level perfectly on payroll, and there is room above. So really, in terms of that positive signal in gold, for anyone who is short, it's enough of a reason to get out. You've got to be pretty brave to get long until the dollar fails. Treasuries shrugged off a strong number on Friday and have continued higher. Looks like we're going to rotate all the way up to this 55.01 level, where a decision will be made, although that extends up to 55.31. And if we go to Europe, Bunds, the German interest rate, has already got there, so 163.14. It's been pretty quiet on Monday, and so far it's just got to that level and stuck. There is another level at 63.43, a little bit higher up. And if you're going to do the ultra, this really highlights how that's underperformed compared to the Bund. 167.02, we stopped 5 ticks below that point. So it feels like we're getting up towards the top of the range in terms of interest rate futures. We'll see whether we can start to rotate back down. We'll just do the UK. Obviously the raised rates last week, and not surprisingly, bonds go up. As far as equities are concerned, normal story there. Whatever the payroll result is, it ends up being fairly positive. No reason to stay in front of the truck, even though it is actually pretty quiet today. Finally, just on commodities, we had that process ending on Thursday, and we're sort of edging higher. We haven't quite broken out yet on wheat, but we are watching it to see whether we can get a positive signal. And if we do crude oil, which is also in a breakout mode, way up today. So we've already hit the third deviation up, got that target of 59.35, so oil very, very strong. Interesting really that bond markets are completely ignoring it, because obviously oil going up is inflationary. Okay, I think that's it for today. Thank you.